Okay, imagine this scenario. You're running a complex industrial operation.
Mm.
Could be anything, right? A refinery, maybe a huge construction site, or like a busy manufacturing plant. Everything seems okay, running smoothly. Then boom, suddenly a really critical piece of equipment just seizes up completely.
Yeah.
Maybe a valve locks tight or a bolt strips and it just will not budge.
Mm-hmm.
And what seemed like, a small problem just minutes before, well, now it's escalating fast. You've got costly downtime, crews working overtime.
And profit just draining away.
Exactly. Profit literally leaking away. It's this kind of silent, relentless drain. And often it's because it's something that seems really small, like, I don't know, bit of rust or a failing seal.
Yeah, tiny things with huge consequences.
So today, in this deep dive, we're unpacking a whole stack of sources we received about industrial supply. We're specifically focusing on a company called peenergy.com and their range of Jet-Lube products. Our mission, really, is to understand how these truly specialized industrial solutions can, well, turn those operational nightmares, those headaches, into actual dynamic solutions.
Yeah.
Solutions that safeguard critical operations and drastically improve reliability, and ultimately, your return on investment.
And that really is the heart of it, isn't it? Because this deep dive, I think, will show what's truly at stake across the whole industrial ecosystem. We're talking oil and gas, heavy manufacturing, utilities, you name it. It's not just about the product in the can. It's about seeing what a really robust, value-driven solution looks like when the stakes are high. And that complex machinery absolutely has to run without failing.
Okay, let's unpack this then. The sources, they paint a pretty vivid picture of what happens when things go wrong.
Mm-hmm.
They describe this scenario. Maybe your crew's on a really tight deadline, and you're just watching the cost meter spin completely out of control because some critical valve seized up or, a bolt got stripped.
Been there, seen that. It's stressful.
It's clear that in the industrial world, fastener and joint failure is, well, it's like the silent assassin. It threatens uptime, safety, and, the bottom line operational profit.
Absolutely. That phrase, hidden profit leakage, really nails it.
Yeah, it's the kind of leakage that can just erode your profits without a clear, obvious cause right in front of you.
Exactly. And the sources, they specifically call out things like corrosion galling, which is basically when two metal surfaces kind of seize up or cold weld under pressure.
Right.
And thread binding. These are relentless issues. They're not just, minor annoyances you can brush off. They are persistent problems that directly cause that hidden profit leakage we mentioned. And the key insight here, I think, is that the solution isn't just like a dab of any old grease. No. What you actually need is total surface protection, performance that lasts, and, well, zero excuses, even under really brutal conditions. That's what ensures you get that lightning-fast turnaround when maintenance is necessary.
Okay, so if you're someone managing operations, or maybe you're in procurement, how do you make the case for investing in these, seemingly higher-grade solutions, especially when a cheaper standard lubricant might look sufficient, at least on the surface?
Right.
What does this really mean for your budget, for your operational strategy?
Well, it means you have to look past the initial price tag.
Mm-hmm.
Those seemingly small failures, a rusted bolt here, a locked up valve there, they lead to massive financial losses and significant operational delays. These things multiply, across materials, time, even your company's reputation can take a hit.
So yeah, reputation damage, that's a hidden cost too.
Absolutely. So the upfront cost of a specialized solution, it's almost always dwarfed by the costs you avoid: downtime, extra labor, potential equipment replacement. It's really about shifting from just reacting to costs to proactively generating value.
Okay, so that's the problem laid out. Big problems from small failures. But what does our research suggest is the critical antidote here? Well, our sources pretty quickly introduced Jet-Lube. They frame it as the sort of no BS answer to real-world industrial maintenance challenges.
Mm-hmm. Engineered solutions.
Exactly.
Mm.
These products, we learned, are specifically built for extreme environments. And they mean extreme. Think Arctic cold, blazing desert heat, corrosive sea spray.
Yeah, or those abrasive high-pressure drilling operations. Tough stuff.
If conditions are tough, Jet-Lube is apparently designed to thrive there.
And this is where you really see the protection and versatility of Jet-Lube come through. Take their anti-seize compounds, for instance. They're often the unsung heroes, protecting vital metal fasteners, other parts from rust, corrosion, galling. They actually extend machinery life, ensure reliability.
So like preventing the problem before it even starts.
Precisely. And look at nickel high-temp anti-seize and thread lubricant. It's designed for conditions where your standard grease would just, well, vaporize or carbonize.
Turn into gunk.
Right, turn into basically an abrasive sludge instead of a lubricant. That 2600 degrees Fahrenheit operating temperature, it's not just a spec sheet number. It means these compounds are built for things like blast furnaces or turbine exhausts. They ensure smooth operation under intense heat and pressure. And it even comes in like a convenient little quarter-pound brushtop can. Easy to apply.
Wow. 2,600 degrees, that's serious heat.
It is. Then you've got their thread lubricants. These are critical for preventing that galling we mentioned, locking, cold welding, especially with tricky materials like stainless steel, aluminum, or high-nickel fasteners. They ensure smooth assembly, sure, but maybe even more importantly, smooth disassembly, even under massive loads and torque.
So getting things apart easily is just as crucial.
Oh, absolutely. It significantly cuts down what they call makeup and breakout time, basically. The time it takes to tighten or loosen bolted connections. Huge time saver.
Makes sense.
And for sealing, Jet-Lube TF15 is a standout example in the sources. It makes threading and sealing much easier, even in really high-pressure environments. We're talking up to an incredible 10,000 PSI.
10,000 CSI.
Yeah. It's metal-free, contains PTFE, graphite, specialized inhibitors. Basically, it drastically reduces expensive leaks and costly repairs, and you see it used everywhere, from remote oil fields to, say, urban utility systems.
Okay.
And let's not forget drilling compounds. They reduce friction, cut torque requirements, reduce wear on that really expensive drilling equipment. That leads directly to slashed maintenance costs and longer service intervals.
So better performance, less maintenance.
That's the goal. And then there are valve lubricants and sealants for reliable sealing in caustic or contaminated process streams, stopping leaks, keeping control valves responsive, even wire rope lubricants with extreme penetration, zero wash-off, robust corrosion inhibition for cranes, hoists, marine cable. You get the idea.
It sounds incredibly comprehensive, like a specific tool for every specific challenge. And the core message from our sources seems crystal clear. With this stuff, you're not just buying a product off the shelf. You're actually investing in uninterrupted workflow, lower maintenance spending, and crucially, ironclad safety compliance across your whole operation.
It's about preventing that domino effect of failure, really.
Okay, so let's say you're convinced. You identify the right solutions, like these Jet-Lube products. The next big challenge is actually getting them consistently, reliably.
Right, the supply chain.
Yeah, and that's where having the right partner becomes, well, indispensable. Our sources make it pretty clear that PEEnergy.com is described as much more than just a supplier. They're positioned as industrial advisory partners.
Exactly. And the competitive advantages highlighted in the sources are pretty impactful. First off, competitive pricing. They talk about bulk pricing advantages that help you maximize your procurement budget, but without compromising on the quality you need.
Always good for the bottom line.
Always. Then there's their swift response and logistics. They apparently have a prompt response team ensuring a really seamless supply chain. They handle quotes, POs, even technical questions with, and this is key, a real expert on the other end.
Not just an order taker.
Correct. And they mention their hardcore logistics. They ship to all sorts of critical, diverse locations. Think remote drilling pads, offshore platforms, even urban data centers. Basically, anywhere uptime is absolutely non-negotiable.
So they can get it where it needs to go, no matter how challenging.
That's the claim. And finally, there's trust and expertise. As authorized distributors, they offer 100% genuine, traceable stock. This eliminates the risks you might get with, unreliable gray market suppliers.
Peace of mind, essentially.
Exactly. They provide dependable industry insights, they can guide you through custom solutions, and they have access to the entire Jet-Lube catalog, including all those specialty lubricants for pretty much every industrial demand imaginable.
So, okay, for B2B buyers, choosing a strategic partner like PEEnergy.com, it sounds like it helps solve those persistent reliability headaches. It provides what the sources actually called zero surprises.
Predictability is huge in industry.
Yeah, definitely. But, okay, beyond the product descriptions and the supplier benefits, what's the real-world impact? How do the sources actually demonstrate the tangible benefits of these solutions, on the ground, where the work gets done?
Right. This is where they talk about the proof in every container, as the sources phrase it. It's about tangible results. These compounds are proven, apparently, to slash that makeup and breakout time we talked about, getting fasteners moving without shearing them, stripping threads, or having them mined up.
So less time wrestling with stuck bolts.
Precisely. Imagine a critical repair that used to take hours of, brute force and frustration with seized bolts,
Huh.
now taking minutes. That's the goal.
That sounds like a game changer for maintenance crews.
It really is. They also stop seizure cold. They're formulated to handle that extreme heat, like with nickel, up to 2,600 degrees, but also things like salt spray, caustic chemical attack. That means less unexpected downtime just because of the environment the equipment's in.
Okay. Durability.
Definitely. They also stand up to pressure. We mentioned Jet-Lube TF15's sealing threads up to 10,000 psi. That directly eliminates common leak paths that can plague operations, cause product loss, or even safety hazards.
Right. Leaks are another form of profit leakage.
Exactly. And all this translates directly into cutting hidden labor costs. Your team spends less time on those stuck jobs, less time wrenching, fewer failed attempts to get equipment back into service quickly.
More efficient use of skilled labor.
Yes. And importantly, they help you hold the line on regulatory compliance. Many have NSF ratings for food-grade applications or meet MENAL specs for military use. They're industry-tested formulas, so they protect your operations from more than just mechanical failure. They protect your business from potential fines, shutdowns, safety violations.
That compliance angle is huge. Easy to overlook, but critical.
Absolutely critical.
I can almost, hear the sighs of relief from maintenance teams just thinking about a bolt that doesn't fight back for hours on end.
Yeah.
Just imagine your maintenance team like breezing through turnarounds. Bolts just spin off with a perfect torque. Valves never seize up under load. Those annoying gasket leaks, a thing of the past.
Sounds ideal.
And all the products you need actually arrive on time
Mm-hmm.
to the correct spec and priced right, because you're buying in bulk through a reliable partner.
Right.
Because, as the sources really emphasize, every single delay, every bit of rework, or heaven forbid, a catastrophic fastener failure, it just multiplies the losses, material, time, and like you said earlier, reputation.
It's a cascade effect. And look, this isn't some pipe dream scenario. According to the sources, this is what hundreds of leaders in various heavy industries, oil and gas, utilities, mining, OEM manufacturing, have actually come to expect when they source Jet-Lube products through a partner like PEEnergy.com. It's really about empowering your team, allowing them to focus on proactive maintenance, on strategic projects, rather than just constantly running around putting out fires.
Shifting from reactive to proactive makes total sense. So wrapping this up, the core insight from this deep dive seems pretty clear. Making a strategic investment in specialized high-performance industrial solutions like the Jet-Lube range and doing it through a trusted, knowledgeable partner like PEEnergy.com, well, it's presented as a genuine game changer.
Yeah.
A game changer for operational excellence, for safety, and ultimately for profitability. It really is about empowering industry excellence, isn't it, from the ground up?
I think so. And, this raises a pretty important question for anyone listening. What other silent assassins, these hidden problems, might be impacting your operational efficiency right now? And maybe more importantly, how might the right specialized solution turn one of those hidden problems into a clear competitive advantage for you?
That's a great question to ponder. It really underscores the idea that smart procurement isn't just what you buy. It's also about who you trust to deliver it.